Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by working with dry, residue-free hair because moisture or product stops locking. Start sectioning immediately into 1-to-1. 5 centimeter parts. Hold a clear grid so spacing stays consistent. Once done, grab a fine-tooth comb and a rat tail to tighten each base and make a neat anchor point. Make sure to leave perimeter sections slightly smaller for natural edges. This first action sets the shape and prevents uneven dreads later, so move steadily but accurately. You'll now create the core structure by backcombing and palm rolling. Backcomb each section toward the root roughly 3 to 4 times to create tangles, because those tangles form the internal catch that becomes a dread. Once backcombed, palm roll firmly between your palms to compact and smooth the cylinder. Alternate rolling directions to avoid bias. Secure the root with a small clip while you work neighboring sections, and keep moving in rows so tension stays even across the head. You finish by sealing and setting the locks. Apply a light locking wax or gel sparingly at the roots to hold structure without gumming the hair, because too much product delays maturation. Once done, sleep on a silk wrap and palm roll each dread nightly for the first 4 to 8 weeks to encourage tight locking. If a dread loosens or opens, re-backcomb that section, palm roll, and use a small root stitch or clip temporarily. This corrects gaps without restarting the whole process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.